Safety starts with visibility. J.J. Keller's VideoProtects Fleet Camera System is uniquely designed to help you detect hazardous incidents, correct those incidents effectively, and proactively prevent future risks. VideoProtects helps you do it all with road and dual-facing dash cams that provide crystal clear proof of an incident. Combined with AI technology and G-sensors that detect the most common and serious risky driving events. Our technology even warns drivers of a detected event for faster response.
The Advanced Driver Alert System offers real-time feedback to the drivers as they encounter risky situations on the road.
VideoProtects uses AI to find out about road signs, about particular speed limit signs, making sure that the particular vehicle is in its lane. All opportunities that can be predictors of a crash.
There's in-cab artificial intelligence that can pick up on head nodding, looking away from the road for X number of seconds. All of those are precursors to crashes.
With VideoProtects, you can also view recorded footage anytime you want, and view triggered events in order to score them based on priority. The driver coaching workflow helps you share dashcam video with drivers as you coach them, and the entire process is logged automatically in the event of a DOT audit or court litigation. You can even assign J.J. Keller corrective action training courses recommended by VideoProtects right from the system. It's all backed by our industry-leading US-based customer support team and the most trusted name in driver safety, J.J. Keller.
You have to be able to have a system that you can configure for your particular operation. Where VideoProtects really shines is the integration of that system within all of your safety goals. When you're talking about the suite of products or the VideoProtects suite, you can do it all in one. You can configure it for the particular, whether it's a car, or whether it's a straight truck, or whether it's a 53-foot trailer.
Choose the VideoProtects option that's right for your operation. Our platform-independent system is ideal for small and non-DOT regulated fleets. Combine VideoProtects with J.J. Keller's Encompass Fleet Safety and Compliance Platform for complete driver and vehicle management. Or you can choose VideoProtects for Geotab if your vehicles use Geotab Go devices. Want even greater visibility and security? We offer a complete line of auxiliary cameras for additional viewing angles. And if you don't have time to review and evaluate the video footage yourself, let our trained experts do it for you.
The Crash Preventability Determination Program. There are 21 different types of non-preventable crashes that you can submit for, and video is encouraged by FMCSA. Non-preventable is a very high standard. It means the driver couldn't have done anything to avoid the crash. Video is the proof to remove those non-preventable crashes from your record, which reduces your crash indicator, which will reduce your insurance rates.
You want to be able to prove to the Federal Motor Carrier Safety that there was no way to avoid this particular incident, okay? You can have driver statements, you can have witness statements, you can have all those things, which were all part of that process before, but now you can have video evidence that says, look at this. The reason why this incident happened was because of X, and you can see it, and you can see the driver was doing the proper things. There was no way to prevent this incident.
When it comes to your company, why take the risk?
When we started our journey on dash cams in our vehicles, we did a pilot program with several different companies, VideoProtects being one of them. Ultimately, our choice was to go with VideoProtects with the driver-facing camera. It allows us to give 100% true picture as to what's going on inside the cab of our trucks. The leading reason for VideoProtects, the ultimate reason, is it is 100% proactive instead of being reactive. There are several different dash cams out there, all of which will show you the picture as to what happened, but that's it. The infrastructure that VideoProtects has in the back end that allows our safety compliance officers to manage allows us to get to the accident before it happens and curve those issues and solve them before it becomes a major issue.
See for yourself why more fleets are switching to VideoProtects. Protect your drivers, your vehicles, and your company with the VideoProtects Fleet Camera System.